Hey, this is Erica Muller from ericasays.com. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite free web development tools that I use all the time in my WordPress development, and it's called Firebug. Now this is an add-on for your Firefox or Chrome browser, and basically it will allow you to inspect any element of your site and find out just where in the code you need to make changes. So let's get started. I've added the add-on to my Firefox browser. So now I'm going to click this little button up here at the top right that shows up. And it's going to open up this panel. Now on the left hand side you'll see any HTML or PHP. And on the right hand side you're going to see your style sheet. So the first thing you're going to do is select this little button, which we call the inspect button. And you're just going to click on something that you want to inspect. Let's say I want to look at links. Okay, maybe I want to change this link to this blue color. And here I'm using another one of my favorite tools. It's called Pixie Color Picker. And so here's the red color that it currently is. What if I want to change it to blue? I want to see what that would look like. So I've just inserted this. Now this will not save and change your theme. You will actually have to log into WordPress, go to Appearance and Editor, find your CSS file and change it there, or use FTP and pull your CSS file to your computer, change it, and then upload it again. But this will allow you to find where the things are that you need to change, because it tells you right here, A visited, so you can go find that in your CSS file. And it will also allow you to preview your changes. Now let's say I wanted to make that black instead. I can see what that would look like live right on my site. Okay, so the next thing, let's just see some other things that we could do. Let's say I want to change the headers in my sidebar. Okay, it's going to tell me it's my sidebar H2, and these are the fonts that it's using. First it looks for Verdana, then Geneva, and then in plain sans serif. Let's say I want to change that to Arial and see what it would look like. And there you go, you have a little preview of what that would look like, Times New Roman. Okay, so you can see what things would look like in real time. Now see here on the side of my titles, there's a little arrow. What if I wanted to get rid of that? I could take out the URL that it's using and it just goes to a straight line. And like I said, not actually changing it, just previewing it. Color wise, once again, I can change that to see, you know, what it would look like if it's let's see, right now it's gray. If I wanted to see what it would look like blue, I could do that, or I could go up here and pull this pretty red color and come back down and make it red, and you can see what my titles would look like in red. We have a font size of 18. We could try, you know, making it, let's see, a size 20 and see what that would look like. Right now it says the font weight is lighter. You could change that to bold, so you can see what it looks like bold. Letter spacing is 1. You could change to 5 to space the letters out. Line height generally makes the line taller, the space between the letters, so you've got a little more space there. As far as the general font, padding, the way padding works is the numbers, there's always 4 numbers, and it starts top, then left, then right, or top, right, bottom, and then left. So going clockwise, starting from the top. So if we want to change our left hand padding, or it says how far it is from the left hand side of the sidebar, we could change it to 30, and that would pull the text in more, you know, away from the side. Okay, let's get rid of all those changes by just hitting refresh, because they were just previews anyways. Now let's try for something like okay, in this ad, see how this text is just, it's a small size, probably a 12. So we're going to see, it says sidebar, scroll down till we see a font size. There it says font size 12, and this covers all your sidebar text unless it's, you know, a title or something. Okay, so it's a 12. We want to change to, say, a 14, just to make it bigger and more readable. We can do that and see what it would look like. Now, how about something like this line over here in the post? Maybe we want to change the line underneath